Hi, this is a quick video tour of my shop. You're looking at a Makita 6-inch joiner with a 12-inch planer and a table saw. And this is a planer molder, a Foley bell saw. It's a great machine and works nice. And this is a small 1/2 horsepower jet shaper. And over here is a 16-inch joiner, an oscillating sander, a belt sander. This is an 8-inch planer molder. It's an old Foley bell saw. And this is an even older one that works beautiful. I've used that for many years. And then over here we have a Delta 16-inch bandsaw. And that's my sharpening station. Over here we have a Recon 18-inch bandsaw. And we have a Performex 2244 sander. And over here we have a Woodmaster 24-inch planer, which works great. And we'll continue. That's where I sit and watch TV. Over here is a 15-inch drill press. And behind there is a 12-inch lathe. We have over here a larger shaper. It's a Reliant. And then we have a Mortison machine. And over here we have a slot mortisa, which, believe it or not, is a great machine. A rigid cutoff saw. And then down here we have a radial drill press, which can do all sorts of nice things that most drill presses can't. And we're back here. Now we have a workbench with 2 Moxon vices, a Delta Industrial 10-inch bandsaw, same as a Unisaw. And over here we have a bunch of willow that I'll be moving pretty soon. And we have a big outfeed table with another Moxon vise. And the shop has a million. I mean, almost, there's a clamp rack. There's so much stuff in this shop to work with and to play with. And it's a shame that I just don't use it as much as I should. The shop itself is 25 by 32. And it's a pretty well-stocked shop. We have racks of lumber. And it'd be great to see this shop being used the way it should be. Anyway, that's the quick video of the shop. Thank you.